Hello today, gamers. Hello, gamers. Today we're playing Hard Raid on easy difficulty because I hate this damn level. I hate this thing. Especially the parts where you gotta parkour. I hate that so much. I fall multiple times and I fucking pass away. Like a loser. Like a loser, I pass away. I fall down over and over again and I gotta waste my time.
Y'all are gonna have to get the gas and get back.
And then the tank attacks out of nowhere.
Back with the gasoline.
We should be in and out of here. Get the gas, get back to shore, signal Virgil with the flare, gun bag.
Nice!
Fuck face! Fucking chicken! Fucking chicken! Fuck face! Fuck face! Fuck face!
You someone.
Fucking chicken! Fuck!
Excuse me.
Fuck face! Fucking chicken! Fuck face! Fuck face! Fuck
You
face!
can't do that!
Fucking chicken! Chicken roll! Fucking chicken! Fucking chicken! Fuck face! Fuck face! Fucking chicken! Fuck face!
I didn't even grab a health kit. Or a gun.
Try this shotgun. Ammo here.
Michelle! Damn!
Damn!
Out of gas! Let's hurry! Wanna be at the
Woman crying already?
Hey, watch out!
Let's not stay here then.
I'm gonna give that witch something to cry.
Give that witch something to cry about.
Now that is a nasty list. Through that playground.
The cavalries are here. Turn back.
Jockey! Look out!
Watch out!
Oh, okay. Can't slide over that. Fringe.
Charger! Look out now!
Pierce.
Reloading here!
Fucking chicken! Fuck face! Fucking chicken! Fuck face! Fucking chicken!
Oh shit! Watch out!
Fucking chicken! Fuck face! Fuck face!
It's raw.
Fuck face! Fucking chicken! Fuck face! Fucking chicken! Fuck face!
Stay down.
Fuck face! Fuck face!
Ouch. Do not touch me.
We can cut through this garage sale.
Oh, my bomba.
Go! Everybody grab a weapon.
La 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 la.
First class cunt.
Oh,
Where's the
that's not funny.
Chicken! Fuck face! Fucking chicken! Fuck face! Fuck face! Fucking chicken!
Fuck off.
Dit.
Here. That's not funny. Nice shot.
Jockey!
Turn back.
Watch out!
Let's just go quickly. Hurry up.
There's a safe room up there. Everyone, inside! Oh yeah, oh yeah!
Woohoo!
Oh yeah!
We aren't on our way back.
Only 48! Who do you think you are? Who do you think you are? Woohoo! Yeah, I'm playing on easy mode, so what? It's like the worst campaign for me. So much pressure to do well.
Ammo here.
That's what I'm talking about.
Ooh, come back.
There's a sugar mill!
Fucking chickens! Fucking chickens! Fucking chickens! Fuck face! Fucking chickens!
Watch out!
Fucking chickens! Fuck face! Fucking chickens! Fucking chickens!
Smack you with my pan.
In here!
Look out!
Fucking chickens!
Watch out!
Fucking chickens!
Oh,
This way!
Sounds
It's
like a
really
hunter.
starting to pour.
Fucking chickens!
hey, chickens.
Fucking chickens! Fuck face! Fuck face! Fucking chickens! Fuck face!
Heads up!
Fuck face! Fuck face! Fucking chickens! Fucking chickens! Fuck face!
Excuse me.
Fuck face!
Ah, woman.
Pipe bomb out!
Man, don't shit yourself over this. You gonna be okay? Let me get you.
This is not how it's gonna end. Grabbing a Molotov.
Nick, healing time.
I gotta heal.
Get up. Get up, boy.
Okay.
Up that ramp!
Chase off! Where's the lambs? You fucking donkey! Charger!
Shit.
Fuck off!
Can't see him.
Shoot the shit out of that thing!
Damn it. Alice.
Ready to
I got you, Alice. Get up.
I knew you'd be okay.
Like you kinda, ma'am.
I hear one of those spitting things.
Yeah, I bet you find me a health kit.
I got a big gang. I got a big gang. You don't want to beat me. Ah, reloading. go.
These here zombies are trying to kill me.
Look what I'm up.
Watch out!
Look out now.
Ignore the women.
We can get up here. Jesus, there's a lot of witches around this place.
Hey! Oi!
Oh man. Oh man, oh man, oh man.
Are you on my team?
Oh, no!
Look out! Hey, watch out!
Why is she here?
I hit it!
Fucking chickens. Fucking chickens. Fucking chickens. Fucking chickens.
Clang.
Fucking chickens. Fucking chickens. Face.
Grenade launcher here.
Face. Fucking chickens. Face. Fucking chickens. Fucking chickens. Fucking chickens. Fucking chickens. Face. Fucking chickens. Fucking chickens. Fucking chickens. Fucking chickens roll.
That should heal. I'm typing.
Shit, that's a lot of witches.
Smoking what you got him, Nick. That was honey. You should use that
Somebody
first
wait
aid.
up, I gotta heal.
Time to heal up, coach.
Hold on, y'all. I'm healing.
Real good.
Yes.
Does this not have an entrance? And it just empty. Yep. Be stupid.
Head toward the sign.
Keep moving!
Too many crying women around here.
Fucking chickens. Fucking chickens. Fucking chickens.
I got hit.
Face. Fucking chickens. Fucking chickens. Face. Fucking chickens. Face. Fucking chickens. Fucking chickens. Face. Fucking chickens.
There's gas in the safe room.
Let's go inside.
Face.
Close the door and let's get this gas.
Alright, this party is over.
Wow. At least there was no tank here this time. Maybe it's gonna be there when we get out of here. That's gonna be crazy. That's gonna be crazy. I don't want to see the tank ever again. Thank you. Thank you very much. Gordon Ramsay scares me. It's raw.
Alright. Everybody got a gas can? I do not want to make this trip twice.
I got one.
Back to the boat, people.
Yep. You'll do it this time. Right?
Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking
Ooh, burpees. Let me heal up.
Ain't no shame in getting some help.
Okay, I shouldn't be shooting bomba
Fucking chickens roll.
inside a small confined space.
Fucking chickens. Fuck face. Fuck face. Fuck face.
Let's just hurry.
Back to the field.
Storm's arrived.
Let's just go, guys. Let's just go. Faster we get up together.
Roger. We can take the elevator back up.
What else? Baby girl. Baby girl. Baby girl. Baby girl. Resident Evil crew. Besties. Except this guy.
Anybody see that?
Ow! Shouldn't have done it. Ouch!
We can close on that tank.
Fucking chickens. Fucking chickens. Fucking chickens.
Fuck off.
Fuck face.
Fuck off.
This way.
Let's not fall down this time.
We have guns here.
Fucking chickens.
Bang. Okay, this part I hate.
Yo, if you didn't want me to kill you, you should have said something. Do it now!
Is this the right way? Okay.
Fucking chickens. Fucking chickens.
What are they doing? Get over here.
Up this pipe. Good one. Cross here.
Oh my god! This happened last time.
Fucking chickens. Fuck face. Fucking chickens.
Guys, don't just come after me. I'm stupid. Parkour. Parkour. I hate it. Because I suck. I just slid off.
Did things around. I'm sorry.
There's the sign. We're almost out
Oh.
here.
Go fuck yourself.
Catch this. Who wants some of this?
Fuck face. Fuck face. Fucking chickens.
What's in there?
Weapons over here!
Fuck face. Chickens roll.
Water!
Come on, this way. Oh, storm starting.
Stick together.
Incoming attack.
Can't see a damn thing. Oh, hell yes!
Get your forehead out of my eyes. Get your big ass forehead out of my eyes, Ellis. Goddamn. Ellis, I like you, but get out of my eyes with your big ass forehead. Right there. Right now, alright? You can't do that to me.
Ammo here.
Even if you're dressed as Leon Kennedy. Alright?
First aid.
All good now.
Ammo here.
Okay, that was so much easier with the easy mode. Oh. We're supposed to go up. Okay. Man, I'm stupid.
Flooded fast.
Fucking chickens. Fucking chickens. Fucking chickens. Fuck face. Fucking chickens.
Get to the high ground.
Fuck face. Fucking chickens. Fuck face. Fucking chickens. Fucking chickens. Fuck face. Fucking chickens.
Okay,
Fuck face. I'm telling you how the pieces roll.
we walk slower with the water. Ow! Ouch!
Fucking chickens.
Go away.
We passed these lights on the way in.
Nice shot, Coach.
Wait, where's the... Ow! Don't do that.
There's that garage sale.
We're headed the right way.
Woo!
Fucking chickens. Fucking chickens. Fuck face. Fucking chickens. Fucking chickens.
Do not!
Fucking chickens.
Do not!
Fuck face.
Do not touch me, alright?
Face.
Do not touch me, okay? I'm just a little chip.
Chicken.
Go away.
Fucking
Go
chicken.
away.
Fuck face.
Whoa.
Never out to lunch.
Nothing in there. Wow.
Fucking chickens. Fucking chickens. Fucking chickens. Fucking chickens.
I love cheese.
I hear smoker.
Face.
Cringe. Bomba.
The playground. We're almost out of here.
Yep. We almost have to fight 3 tanks approximately.
We passed this on the way in.
Fucking chickens. Fucking chickens.
Guys! That was cringe.
Healing. Cover me. Oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about.
Okay. I was like, wait, safe house here?
Stay close.
Wait a second, the safe house is here? I was like, what? I was like, wait, did I Okay. Got me confused a little bit there.
Take this.
Okay.
Let's go. Almost back to the boat.
What are we supposed to signal him with?
Fucking chickens! Fuck face! Fucking chickens! Fucking chickens!
Heads up!
Fucking chickens.
Sounds like a plan.
Fucking chickens! Fuck face! Fuck face! Fuck face!
Oh,
Fucking chickens!
roll.
Fuck face! Fuck face! Fuck face! Fuck face! Fucking chickens! Fuck face! Fucking chickens! Fuck face! Fuck face!
Ouch.
Fucking chickens! Fuck face!
Sign is on! Get ready. Watch out!
Hey, look out!
That thing's
Wow. Did I really miss that? Wow. The tank's gonna be here soon, so we should head up.
Watch out!
Boomer!
Ah!
Fuck face!
Cringe.
Molotov! File incoming!
Shit.
They shoot the shit out of that thing!
Can't see where he's. Someone stop this guy. Shush. How? How?
Stop, guys. I have to heal.
How?
Oh, yeah.
Hey, look out!
Fucking chickens! Fuck face! Fucking chickens! Fuck face!
What is that banging?
Like dinner.
What are they doing?
Fucking chickens!
What's in there? Nothing.
Fuck off. Fucking stop, you fucking stop. Oh, wait, fuck off. Look at me, I look at England king. Fucking fuck off. Where's the lamb? Where's the lamb? Fucking dildo. Fucking thing. Fucking fuck off. You fucking dumb.
Ouch!
Jockey around.
Ow!
Don't you see I'm right?
Another one.
Hey, watch out!
Fuck off!
Really? Let's go!
Fucking off! Fuck right off! Where's
Why can't I get through that?
Are you consistent? No, just
Ow!
fuck off! I mean, fuck off! Fucking donkey! It's just roll! Where's the land? You fucking donkey! Fuck off, fuck face!
Ouch!
You fuck off!
Let me heal first before I fucking die in the battlefield. Let's go, guys.
Don't get to the boat!
I hate this. This is what I hate. The atmosphere is there, but I hate the. There's so much bullshit to deal with. Anyways, I did it. I've done it in 30 minutes. Hey man,